APHLC holds awareness camp in Tarabasa. ASDC holds meeting in Akoyputa village. ASDC and Congress come into alliance in West Karbi Anglong for the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election. Good morning, viewers, and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Margaret Tarangpi, and now the news in details. In an attempt to woo voters before the upcoming election, the All-Party Hills Leader Conference had today conducted an awareness camp at Benjamin Taro village in Tarabasa. Here is a report from our correspondent. Party President Jai Qatar heavily condemned the BJP for their failure to protect the rights of indigenous people. He said that if the BJP is re-elected to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, 10 MSC seats will be made open for all. During the meeting, the APHLC leaders also said that they will not use unfair means to convince voters. They will campaign in clear and fair way and not follow the steps of other parties. The APHLC vehemently condemned the BJP leaders for not expressing the demand of autonomous state before the Prime Minister of India during his visit to Karbi Anglong on Thursday. They said that BJP do not have the intention for implementation of Article 244A, so they do not deserve to seek votes of the people who have always wanted an autonomous state.
Alangli Prime Minister Wang set a kama vehala University College ke biji po kam bange lage. Dagamata claim private college ke wrong so ta pati bom lage Prime Minister Wang set a kam ve lage. La pen ke dak kapi thika bange ni tunga chinia tengke aprang ben ni umpulo la ke hala bongali tumphan kapi thiri si wang. Che thana linsta bongali tumarong sinang sunlo matidi. Han dak sinang sunlo towar selam pidet loge. Ha utor borbil pu bang ir deadlo Karbi arong amen ke than laplo non atumi si loring tepi palang lituma kachi putu chotanat bang loring tepi lapen rong kut bu anta than laplo.
The awareness was attended by Puloni Constituency APHLC President Dhoniram Timung, Kursing Timung, Dipen Rongpi and others. Dear Chuna Rongpi's report from Puloni, Karbi Anglong Live. With the focus on the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election, the Regional Party Autonomous State Demand Committee held a meeting at the Akoyputa polling station during which the party exchanged views with party supporters to bring back the party to power. The meeting, which was held at 11 a.m., was chaired by Kogen Ronghang and was attended as chief guest by ASDC Central Committee Secretary and ex-CEM Jotson Bey, former EM Singnot Kro, social activist and radio artist Kangther Bey, and ASDC leader Sunil Tokbi, among others. While speaking at the meeting, former CEM Jotson Bey lambasted All Party Hills Leaders Conference President Jai Qatar for his remark that ASDC has become politically irrelevant and out for place in the Hills district. The ASDC leader charged that the APHLC president's statement is completely baseless and misleading, reminding that their party is registered with the Election Commission of India.
Ini ke cingrum lo, ya di sini pangtang tip lo deh, andulan klaim tu tip lo deh, dah hampir talong le lo, hoi tarai ne lo, council aja kong tak, aku cewan tu ne lo, ang ton alam dak doer lo, nasib, dak ya di sini pak ya si KNC, asal grup tu, mana ke cepang tang pensip, kecil song pedut susi, lah.
The ASDC leader reminded that their party has fought in the past and would continue to fight for the rights and aspiration of the people of the Hills district.
Council long 26 constituency among 25 long constituency lo papinelo asi dak afrang ewan je pan non ningkan ko yang bong sak kulipan cenglok asonse development nan benan ki papido posilap so aprang ewan je pan bang si isi chini mochot asong ya poni lo do to anda chingrum si to wat paklang no po rat pan tanong so timni liten situ isi hinya kamong deng temon mo asi non het natural ka juram da lang tumi modi ke bang hoda son ke chitong nun tachok walam thebang lalo itung ASDC benda mi mondam bidini bisi chingwai lo la benson taxi perfect asong do kaskom do kesi tung do khe phan nong ria phan ke matha itu akimang jong se dam modi ke bang si paklang tek thip tam te lake itu rat tham bache besan manda.
Sanjit Crow's report from Chokihola, Karbi Anglong Live. The Autonomous State Demand Committee, ASDC, and the Congress had announced their alliance to fight against the BJP from West Karbi Anglong in the upcoming KAC elections. This announcement was made during a press conference on Friday held Congress office in Pelangpi. Here is a report. The meeting was attended by ASDC leader Sarsing Ingleng, Binda Teron, KNCA Hamran Regional Committee leader Sika Bepi, Congress WKA-DCC spokesperson Ren Singh Bey, Secretary Sotro Singh Teron, and President Chandra Singh Rongphar. Speaking in the press meet, Sarsing Ingleng said that the decision for alliance was taken in order to defeat the BJP, which he said is running the KAC like a company under KAC CEM Tuliram Ronghang and Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sarma. He also condemned the BJP for not addressing the issue of Article 244A.
Aposin nilitung isi Karbianglong rada pan pini apherang ke mai pen gi pachi takoni bangala henlo ASDC pen Congress chelang per nitum sarkar chari delapir non la BJP etum kachari bom BJP etum ke claim corruption do an la department from keblong a corruption fakin etum inquiry commission bohaiji la so inquiry commission ateng pen kelong a kechok che CM punon em tumhan punon arona tengpen ing saisi jail thabji labake nitum Karbianglong rat phana pachita.
Congress leaders present in the meeting say that it is only their party who care for the true development of the indigenous people. They added that Article 244A was incorporated into the Constitution of India during their regime and they returned to power. They will fulfill the dream of autonomous state that reside in the hearts of people living in the hills district of Assam.
Lasi Congress amuchi Article 244A ta Indian Constitution onta uthot ke thaptu. Lasi Karbianglong arat apan ke Congress to namsiatu. Lapen ke damtang ha council sengdet penon pinian. Ko ansi Karbianglong Autonomous Council on power function ke duma lasu kipi banta Congress kena. Lasi autonomous state alam dia putha ka banta militum thiklong kan isilam militum tarjak kan ni lahelo je Indian National Congress INC pe nabanke isi clear cut isi policy dolo je Congress government jong si power mon ke rango tutante non banke Article 244 ke implement po lapen implement de pen Karbianglong pen di mahasawara Tonhan ba West Karbianglong ara Tonhan banke hempre ka banke isi a give asonsi people kula solam ke banke tardak.
The Light Party will share seats and contest from all 9 MAC constituencies under West Karbi Anglong. Mohan Teron's report from Pelangpi, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.